Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix the Witcher 3 black screen problem easy and quick. If you want to fix it, all you have to do first click here, go to Windows Update Settings, and after that click check for updates, and then go to make sure to install all the updates here, and then go to GeForce Experience. Drivers, check for updates and install the latest update for your graphics card and unclose it, and then go to Task Manager, and that's it. Maybe you will find it like that. If you find it like that, click more details and then right click and end all the tasks that you don't need, and also keep scrolling down and close all the applications that you don't need and you must know what they do before closing them. And that's it, your problem must be fixed. See you in the next video.